and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this very pink rose gold Valentine's Day look for you guys. This is just, I think, like just the perfect soft glam for like a date night out, in whatever you're doing on Valentine's Day, or even if you just want to wear this for like a barbecue in the spring or the summer. I just think this is just a really cute soft glam look. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. Let's get this makeup look started. And for primer, I'm going to use the Hello Sunday, the one that's got it all primer with SPF 50. Yes, you heard it right, folks. It has a sunblock in. This gives me a really tacky, smooth base for my foundation. And with this Under Eye Line Fix primer from Revolution, it's also going to give me a smooth canvas underneath the eyeballs, smoothing out any fine lines and wrinkles, ready for that foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to use the Super Serum foundation with hyaluronic acid. This is going to give me a glowy, youthful appearance. I absolutely adore this foundation. It's buildable, it's lightweight, it's glowy, and it's perfect for any date night look. Using the Super Fixx concealer by XX Revolution, I'm going to highlight, brighten, bring some definition to my face. I love a brightened under eye appearance. It just makes me look awake, youthful, glowy, bright, and that's everything I want from this concealer, and that exactly is what this concealer is doing, giving me that brightened appearance. Time for some cream contour. This is the Bronze Skin Cream Bronzer by XX Revolution, and I'm just going to give myself a natural sun-kissed contour sculpted kind of look. I love how natural this cream contour looks. It's super easy to blend out and beautiful on the skin. And to set my face, I'm going to use the Lace Baking Powder, and I'm just going to set my T-zone. That's where I get the most oily, because I don't want to look like an oil slick or a greasy chip pan. I want to look set, fresh, and bloody beautiful. And that's exactly what this setting powder does. Time for blusher. Now be careful with this blusher. It is very pigmented, and you can have a very 80s look very, very quickly. A little bit goes a very long way, so just for a flush of colour, be very, very careful. If in doubt, blend it out. Using the Coconut Restore Fixing Spray, I'm just going to rehydrate my skin, ready for the highlighter. And highlighter of choice, drum roll please, is the ABH Nicole Guerrero Highlighting Palette. I love this palette, and I love how beautiful these highlights are. And I'm just going to stick this to the high points of my face, and I'm going to drown myself. Make myself look like wet glass on a sunny day. Time for the eyeballs. I'm going to use this little quad from XX Revolution. And I'm going to start off with this soft brown, and I'm going to sweep it all over my lid. I just want a really soft, smoky look. We're not going for anything dramatic or crazy, just a really soft, glam look today. Going in with this rosy pink shade, I'm going to buff that brown out, and I'm just going to really smoke it out, have a really soft brown pink smoke all over the lid. We're just going for a really soft glam look. Taking this duochrome shade, I'm going to sweep this all over the lid as well. It is a bronzy rose gold beauty, and you can use this shade dry or wet, whichever you prefer, but it is gorgeous. Now using this eyeliner by NYX, I'm just going to take this across my waterline and the lower lash line because I just want a little bit of a smoky, dramatic effect, just to add a bit of contrast to the really wet, shimmery lid that we've got going on. And for the smoky, dramatic effect, I'm just going to go back in with that soft brown straight over the top of the eyeliner. And then I'm going to buff that out with the pink to connect it to my lid, just so everything marries up. Taking the last shimmer shade of this quad, I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight and my brow highlight. And it's so lovely. And with the power of editing, she has lashes on. And to finish this look off is obviously the lips. So I'm going to use this Beauty Bay lip liner and I'm going to overdraw my lips. This lip liner is super creamy, smooth, pigmented, everything you want in a lip liner. And it's super affordable. Thank you so much. And for my lipstick, I'm going to go in with this rosy, peachy nude from Beauty Bay, and I'm going to use this Revolution, more of a subtle pink nude, just for a little ombre effect. And to finish the look off, simply just add a little bit of gloss by Kiko, and this look is completed. And this is the completed look. Everything that I've used will be listed down below for you guys, all the products, where I got them from, everything like that. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share, dislike, you do you, but be safe. If you want more videos like this, then let me know down below. My Instagram is also linked down below, so give me a follow. I'm more active on there than pretty much any social media account that I have. And stay safe, be good, don't do anything stupid, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!